is 12:02 Friday. I mean, basically still Thursday, but processing the video, 17 minutes. Just ordered a pizza because, yeah, we're not cooking anything. Yeah, I'm tired. I can't wait to sleep. Okay, 12:20. Video still uploading. We got the pepperoni, well done. It's crazy, they charge you extra for the garlic here. I'm not gonna try to open it, but it's some cinnamon bite little things. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, it's 6:58 a.m. I have no business being up this early. $7:45. Kellyanne, charge your phone. Let me make sure my hair's, because I was watching the last video and I'm like, bruh. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. It's 8:20. I need to uh-oh. Busting up the box. Okay. Okay. But what we're digging in the box for is this. I love this one too. Oh, you can't even really see this right here. We're sending this out to Paige. She hit me up saying she wanted one, so yeah, why not give you the one you modeled? These are some thrifted. They're kind of wrinkled now, but I promise they're good. Hold on. But they're Calvin Klein, so they're pretty good fabric. This hoodie right here. But these are the first of many thrifted pieces of clothing that I need to get, because the next collection, which will be 13 thrifted, reconstructed pieces by me and maybe some other people. I've had that idea because I know of some people, and I think that would be cool. But it's all still in the works, so follow the Instagram, and yes. Okay, also, this month, we need to transform this. Bed frame, box spring gone. New comforter, all that. Like, I'm tired of this tan color. Shout out to Iowa. Shout out to Caitlin Clark. But like, I need a new pillow. just. I need a nightstand so I can declutter. TV stand. I don't want to do too much right now. But I could do something. I could either get a TV stand, but the TV stand is gonna have the kitty litter thing, or do I want? I kind of would rather have it still be over there. So like, or bed frame and comforter. And I don't even really know about that because I don't want no like raggedy comforter. And on Amazon, I was looking, the reviews, they're saying, yeah, the material's not the best, but you get what you pay for. It was $60 for some blankets. What do you mean you get what you pay for? $60, I think I'm getting something good. So apparently, if I want something like what I'm thinking, I'm gonna need to pay more than $60. I don't want to buy a bed frame and then have these blankets on it, you know. Blankets on the bed. So that brings the question of what? I have 2 pieces of pizza left from last night. I'll eat that later. Before I go to work. Also, like the last video, I was like, oh my God, Joshawn, why are you putting this on the internet? But I did it. You just be yourself here. That's all we need to do. Always. Anything else is a waste of time and energy. It's been a minute since we touched anything on here. As you can see, this has been here for some time. It ain't going nowhere because we got work to do. But I like to just get things out and what I want to accomplish for, let's say, the month. Okay? So that's usually what I go for, the month. I'm gonna figure out what I'm doing. So. It's 9:35. About to go to the post office, ship that out, and we'll be back. returned. I need to go to the bathroom. 10:48 a.m. Just got back from shipping out the sweater and the shirt. I'm about to warm up my pizza and edit this video so that I can have it edited and post it straight before I even go to work. And today's vlog will be done for the day, and I'll be like almost caught up how I would like. That's gonna feel good. I mean, I would recommend and urge you to make a 30-day success list, or a week, doesn't matter, a day. Either way, break it down. What do you want in these 30 days? What do you want to accomplish in these 30 days? Don't put pressure on yourself either to do it all. Just brainstorm everything. In the next 30 days, what would you want to get done? What do you want to happen? What's ideal for you? And over time, you slowly do that, you'll see that some stuff, I'm probably gonna hate myself for wearing the hat like that. Later I'm gonna be like, Jay Sean, why were you wearing the hat like that? It's just my hair, bro, I'm sorry. But it'll come together. So make you a success list. Tune in tomorrow for the next video. I'm thinking, I'm feeling like a new season in my life has started. Like, yeah, I came here to Chicago, like, of course, yeah, you would think, like, duh, that's a new season, but it wasn't. It was like still transitioning. Now I'm in it, you know, I'm in the new season. I'm at the very beginning of that next stage, you know, so it's time for me to do a self-portrait. I've done self-portraits at like a bunch of different stages of my life, and it's always crazy looking back at each one, and I know where I was at mentally in all of them. So this one, it's time for an updated one. New profile pictures, the vibes. So I'm gonna capture that process in the next episode. I also have a baseball game tomorrow that is almost a 2-hour bus ride away from me. Like, my team don't even know the lengths I be going. They just hop in their car and drive 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I'm also not gonna ask somebody for a ride. Even though I'm sure I probably could, but no. No, thank you. I would rather ride the bus. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. I got to put a little more effort into it, and hopefully it's not too much just yapping. But these videos are gonna start coming together, at least for me. How it goes in my head. It's gonna start coming together for me. Let me not make this too long. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Yes.